Today we embark on a comprehensive journey to compare direct air capture, DAC carbon capture and storage, CCS. Let's see how CCS works. In this case, hydrogen is produced together with CO2. Then, CO2 is captured by a product called amine, which absorbs CO2. The CO2 is then separated from the amine and pressurized to turn the CO2 gas into a liquid that can be transported by pipeline to the well sites. At the well site, the liquid CO2 is injected more than 2 kilometers underground into a layer of rock filled with interconnected pores. The CO2 becomes trapped in the pores and locked in under many layers of solid watertight rock, constantly monitoring both above and below ground to ensure the CO2 stays safely and permanently in place. The cost of carbon capture and storage, CCS, varies widely depending on the source of CO2, the technology used for capture, and the specifics of the storage site. For industrial processes that produce highly concentrated CO2 streams, the capture cost can range from $15 to $25 per ton of CO2. This includes processes like ethanol production or natural gas processing, where CO2 is a significant portion of the emissions. For processes with dilute gas streams, such as cement production and power generation, the capture cost increases to between $40 and $120 per ton of CO2. DAC works differently. It captures CO2 from the air. The air is drawn into a collector with a fan, and the CO2 is captured on the surface of a highly selective filter material that sits inside the collector. Once the filter is full of CO2, the collector closes, and it is heated to around 100 Celsius to regenerate the filter. Now the CO2 is mixed with water and pumped deep underground, where it mineralizes and can be stored permanently. The cost of DAC is more elevated compared with CCS. CAPEX is around $400 $1,000 per ton, and OPEX is around $150 $400 per ton. Both DAC and CCS are pivotal in the quest to diminish atmospheric CO2 levels. DAC's future shines brighter with cost reductions and technological advancements, while CCS offers a practical solution for immediate emission reductions. Together, they form a formidable force against climate change, awaiting further support from policy, technology, and investment.